our splash screen is done, let's get into some design best practices. Just like there are best practices in teaching, there are best practices to make design of your app so that users can have a good experience in it, a good user experience. We call this the UI or the UX, the user interface or the user experience. We can start by naming things so that it's easier for you to keep track of things. I can rename things two ways. I can click on the left-hand panel. I can click rename. I'm going to call this screen splash. For my purposes, I like to keep the control name inside the name of the overall thing. If it's a screen, I keep it with the word screen in it. If it's a gallery, I keep the word gallery in it. I could also rename things by clicking the top right-hand corner below the type of control it is. I could type in a name here. I'll call this one screen main. I call it that because it's going to be the main screen where we'll be using it to select things. The next best practice is that we don't need to reuse or redo colors. So on the first splash screen, I had already chosen this as the color that I wanted. But an easier way to do this is to reference an existing thing. So screen splash already has a fill property that I can reference by using dot referencing. I type in the name of the screen or the control, put a dot, and then I drill in by selecting what I want. So it has the same color without needing to find out what it is. So that's why you want to rename things.